I guess, Jacob, the weekend goes downhill for us starting tomorrow in kind of a big way.
Yeah, tonight it's actually going to go downhill pretty big way with the rain moving on in. I know Jim enjoying the beach, a lot of people enjoying the Foo Fighters right now. You can see, I think the Foo Fighters are actually playing right now. So if you are at Fenway watching us, what are you doing? Put your phone away. Watch the Foo Fighters. Anyway, really great evening to enjoy the great outdoors. Temperatures are currently in the mid to upper 60s to near 70 degrees, 65 in Chatham, 71 in Lawrence. Still a pretty comfortable evening. That's going to be very short-lived, though, and I think that once we go downhill, we're going to kind of stay downhill for the foreseeable future. Our jet stream pattern taking a big dip. We call this the Midwestern Trough. That stays in place. We have the Bermuda High. That kind of flexes its muscles a little bit, but still tropical pattern setting up over the really next week or so. And what that means is a lot of humidity. It's going to feel like Florida out, and kind of with that Florida mindset, we're going to have these daily rain chances throughout the entire 7-day forecast. In fact, we have that rain chance heading into this evening, and overnight you see that rain moving, generally moving northward, but we're going to start to see this filling in and moving in our direction by the time we get to about 2, 3, 4 in the evening. The Cape and Islands maybe actually getting a couple of sprinkles as we speak. Our hour-by-hour forecast looks like this. We see that rain moving on through 3, 4, starting to see that first wave moving in. Where these thunderstorms and rain showers set up, we're going to have to watch them to move in the same direction behind one another. We call that training. So they could actually cause some flash flooding issues. You see some rain moving through Boston in the afternoon. It's not a complete washout, but certainly something we'll have to watch as we go into the next couple of days. Not only is it rainy, but it's also windy, especially the southeast coast, the Cape, the islands, seeing wind gusting 25 to 30 plus miles per hour in some spots. So we're going to hold on to those wind gusts into Monday too. And that is why the National Weather Service has that high surf advisory. If you're planning on heading to the beach, it will be very rough. 6 to 8 foot breaking waves are possible at some of the area beaches. So the biggest threat are going to be downpours, causing street flooding, and then potentially some damaging wind gusts. There's also a non-zero chance for a tornado. That's going to be mainly in the southeast coast, the Rhode Island coast, the islands for that tornado chance. I think it's very unlikely, but something we will have to watch in the early morning hours of Sunday. And then what we see is that high pressure start to drift back to the west. And what that's going to do is actually going to clear us up just a little bit. So by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, we're actually sort of drying out a little bit. Still have rain in the forecast, but certainly not as wet as what we'll see on Sunday and Monday. You can see some of these rain forecasts through the Worcester Hills as you go into southern New Hampshire, 2+ inches, and then notice the Cape, the islands, a little bit less. That's because they're going to be on the receiving end of some of that drier weather heading into the middle of the week. Low temperatures tonight, getting back into the middle 60s. Tomorrow, we are back into the mid to upper 70s, but it does come with some humidity too, especially some morning rain that will be heavy at times. And I mentioned the wind along the southeastern coast and the Cape. Our dew point trend stays humid. I mentioned Florida. Can't get much more Florida-like than dew points that are in the 70s. So here is our 7-day forecast. We do have these daily rain chances, and I do want to add just a clarification that that does not mean it's a complete washout the next 7 days and that you're still going to be able to get some of these things done, but I still think it's one of those type of weeks that you're just going to want to have that umbrella nearby.
At the very least, it's going to be soupy pretty much every day.
Exactly, yeah.
Fabulous.
Yeah, right? Yay.
Thanks, Jacob.